What's up, everyone? We are about to be full. This is the other half. If it's not in the store, it's sold out. Who took the Hawks? Bazooka, yeah, they're gone. Hold on. We're full. Dallas is gone. Hawks are gone. All right, we're full. Bazooka, I want to make sure you get in this. Yeah, Bazooka, hold on. Karam, it's too late. I put it away. Don't worry about it. Karam, I appreciate it. It's just too much work. There should be a gold. All right, hold on a second. Bill, I'm going to see if I can get you in here. All right, never mind. We're full. We are naturally full. Bill, I'm giving you 40 in credit for the inconvenience. Okay? Bill, you got 40 in credit. All right, here we go. Everything ships. Just so you guys know, Karam has the Raptors, Mike has the Jazz, and Chris Quickie's got the Wizards. This is PYT number 10. Everything's shipping. I'm not going to guarantee it, but there's almost a guarantee, almost. There should be a gold. This is the other half, or a black. The next breaks, 18-19 Prism Cello number 8, randoming off the Mavs. That's going immaculate, first off the line, 2 boxes, 28. That's the last football. And then I'm going to put something else on the screen. Does anyone have a request? It's going to take a few teams. Paul Ender, 18-19 Cello number 8. Oh, Army, you're right. Okay. I would love to do Spectra first off the line. You want to do it? Hold on, Army. Let me see if you're right. People want to... Guys, give me a minute. Army, you're the best in the world. Army, you are the best in the world, sir. That's my boy. Hybrid is not going tonight, guys. No. Here we go. Everything ships. Everything ships. There should be a gold or a black. I've opened up a lot of this. Brogdon for the Bucks. Booker base. All right, take your Spectra first off the lines. I'll put it on the screen. AD. AD for the Pelicans. What's up? Take your Spectra first off the lines. Kawhi, Spurs. I'm going to put it on the screen after the cellos. I can't say no to Spectra first off the line, man. I'll tell you that right now. After Victor, usually you see Jaylen Brown. And you do. Jaylen Brown for the Ticks. Dwayne Wade red. He's a bull in this. Cards don't even stick together in this. This product's 5 years old. I love it. I'm opening 17, 18 Prism. They're all stuck together. LeBron Blue for No Way Out. That's sick. Beautiful. Nice hit to Joe. Yeah, Deborah, that is. It's a Pelican, though. What's up, Brew? Guys, someone banned the fake Bazooka Bill. Bazooka Bill, you don't mess with the real Bazooka Bill, Motorboat Bill. If you're gonna make a fake name, make it Motorboat Bill. Nix, just delete it. Just remove it, Nix. All right, let's continue. Still a lot left. It should be a gold. There should be at least another auto. There'll be at least another auto. There's an auto. Speaking of an auto, be good. It's not good. It's McCaw, rookie for the Warriors, but that's good. How about a blue Simmons for Adam Rosen? And a Giannis for the Bucks. Who's got the Bucks? No Way Out. We have another auto. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. Buddy. Auto for the Pelicans. Another Simmons for Adam Rosen. Another LeBron for No Way Out. Wow, this is delivering. Should I buy more of this? I got a good idea for this. How about if I get more, should I do the same thing with the Mavs, random off the Cavs in this? That's actually the move. That's the move. Random the Cavs. All right, let's continue. Let's do because the cheap teams. I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to get more of this. That's the play. This stuff's amazing. There it is, Karam. Don't be afraid. You got Siakam. Guys, these cards are Sabonis, Thunder. These cards are big money. There's still no gold or black. I still believe there will be. Come on, there's usually a gold per case. There's another camo. We have a camo. Henry Ellinson, rookie, Pistons, camo. 6/25, Pistons. He was a lottery pick. Ingram, rookie for the Lakers. Yep. Guys, this is the first year they ever made Mosaic. Army's dead right. pretty crazy. Oh, hi, Manu. Manu, you've got one so far. We're at one. The hit count is one. But I believe it's going to be two. Another Jaylen Brown. Sabonis red. Come on, where's the gold? There's got to be a gold. There's got to be a gold. Tell me, I want to see. I'm supposed to be sharp. Buddy red. Kawhi blue for the Spurs. They really not going to give me a gold? I guess they're not. There's another Jamal Murray, though, for Manu. Manu, I knew it was coming. Guess Sabonis. I guess there's no gold. Come on. No, there's no gold in this case. Wow, Durant. Lillard. Giannis blue. And that's the break. It was solid, but it's weird. Almost every break has at least a gold. I'll do a full recap in a minute. Manu, I'm going to do a recap. That is very weird. I can't even think of that many cases that didn't have a gold in it. Our recap coming. All right, we're doing 18-19 Cello. I'm putting Spectra first off the line on the screen as well. All right, full recap. Oh no, Manu. All right, here's your full recap. I'll buy more of this, guys. I'll get more. I cased all the base that are good because I don't even know the value. Giannis, Siakam. I figure you can't go wrong with casing a lot of the base. Simmons, Giannis, Simmons, LeBron, blue. Jason, no, not everything. No, absolutely not.